Welcome to Posada de San Juan. How may I help you?
I'd like to rent a room, please.
It is room 203, just up those stairs over there.
It's just a proposal, I promise.
What are you listening to?
An audiobook.
Trust me on this, it's only a prototype.
That's Mr. Executive Businessman.
Is that your official title?
No, it's my middle name.
Hi, I am interested in your in-home escort service. Last time that I felt at home wasn't at home. It was when I was with you.
That's awesome.
I bet you he'll think twice before he does that again.
I saw you staring at my husband.
I think I need to get to a hospital.
It's these sad, sort of in-between places I find most depressing. Mediocrity embodied.
To pick up your estranged son to come live with you and your new family, huh? When it's dark, we can stash the money.
How much is it? Man, I'm gonna die.
Carmen!
I like the way I feel around you.
She's coming. Please open the door.
I didn't give her the love that she deserved.
Man, why can't anything interesting happen to me?